Hello and welcome. My name is Robin and this is my channel, and I am so excited because today I have my favorite accessory box, Luxury Divas. So if you want to know more about it, please stick around. My name is Robin. This is my channel. I do all sorts of unboxings, accessory boxes, clothing boxes, some jewelry, lifestyle, you name it, I pretty much have unboxed it. So please feel free to check out all my videos. And if you like my channel and its content and you're new, please hit that subscribe button, tap the notification button so that you get notified of all my future video. And if you'd be so kind as to give me a thumbs up if you like it. And of course, if you're returning, thank you so much. I appreciate your loyalty to my channel. So let's get into it. I know I'm probably one of the last people to have unboxed it, but that's okay because I'm still always excited to get mine. So Luxury Divas is a monthly subscription box. It retails for $35, but the longer the subscription, it goes down about $5. So I get mine 3 months at a time. So it costs me $30 and it's over $100 in retail. I do have a link so you can save $5 off of your first box, which is a really good way to try it. So let's get into it. When you open it up, it's got Luxury Divas, and there's always a note card, and it's usually from Marina, and sure enough, it is. And hello, Robin, with the summer still in full bloom, this August box will still keep you super stylish in the heat. And boy, it has been hot here in Washington. Love, Marina. Hugs and kisses, Luxury Divas. So you too will get a personal card. And up for Luxury Divas, they ask your preference, like if you like gold tones or silver tones, what your size is, so they can more customize the box towards your needs. And then there's a sheet with everything that's in it, and if it comes in another color, you can actually go on their website and purchase it in other colors. And this month this box retails for $114, and all I paid was $30. So how awesome is that? And this is the summer box, so I'm going to put this to the side and let's get into it. So it has a bundle, but it looks like it was ripped into, so I don't want to drop everything. So I am going to go ahead and just take it out of the box. And the first thing looks like a pair of sunglasses with a nice Luxury Diva sunglass case. And I always appreciate when sunglasses, from no matter what subscription box I get, or even if I buy them at the store, come with some sort of sunglass case, because I drop them, I scratch them. And ooh, these are beautiful, and it looks like it is a silver tone. So let's break into these. Not sure if they're my style, but you never know, so you guys have to tell me. Very dark, what do you think? My style, they kind of have like a little cat eye up here, so I am not really sure if this is really my look. So let's find out a little more about them. As you can see, they have that nice tone, but not sure if I can quite pull these off. And now let me put on something that I can't pull off. These are the vintage style Kutea sunglasses with soft case, and they retail for $20. So again, they're really nice, but not sure if they're my style, so please leave a comment below. Okay, the next item are these beautiful silver earrings, and these are by Luxury Divas. I'm thinking, sorry, my nose itches. They might be a little bit too heavy for me. They are pierced and they are beautiful, but they feel kind of heavy. And these are the sterling silver plated tube style hoop earring, and they retail for $20. So I'm either going to put them in a giveaway. Or I will gift them. So, but they are really nice. So if I was able to wear them, I would. And the next item is this beautiful crossbody, and I think I cheated and watched one or two, and I did see this, and it cinches and it's got this long, so it would definitely fit over my body, and it is so cute. It would, I'm measuring to my phone. I have an iPhone 8, so it would fit my iPhone. It would fit one of those cute little card holders, a tube of lipstick. So, and it is such a fun summer color. So I'm really liking this bag. And this is the small woven drawstring shoulder bag, and it retails for $18. So I am enjoying the bag. I have got this nasty hair going on my face. Okay. And then the next thing in the box is 2 lip glosses. It looks like a beautiful, more towards a red than a coral, and a purple. And I don't think either one of them are my color, so I'm not going to open them. Again, they will probably go either in a giveaway, or I hate to put these in a giveaway and give them to somebody that has the same issue that I do and they cannot wear them. So if these are your color, let me know. And if a lot of people comment on them, maybe I'll just do a little mini giveaway, because I just hate to give them to somebody that's not going to wear them. I'd like to give them to a good home and somebody that would really want these lip colors. So just let me know, leave a comment below. And these lip colors go for, they are the Italia Deluxe Matte 2 pack lip creams, and they retail for $13. I just wish they were maybe more like in the brown or nude colors. And then we got, I am never mad when I get socks. I know some people are like, really, socks again? But they're great for gym shoes, or for me at night, I just put them on my feet. I just feel so relaxed when I do, especially if I do a spa on my feet or it gets a little chilly. I love having socks. And again, with like tennis shoes, they're great. So I do like the socks. And our cute little socks retail for $16. And I know Luxury Diva, they put in all sorts of socks. They put in knee socks, they put in all sorts of socks. So I can never get mad about socks. And then our last item are these adorable sandals. And what I like about these is they've got the decoration here, but they're padded. We went out on the boat and I wore another pair of Luxury Diva sandals, and they were so comfortable, but they were a little flatter. So I look forward to wearing these. And they do ask you, when you sign up for Luxury Divas, the nice thing is they ask you, again, your sizes and everything. So you can order between a 7 and an 8. And I'm a 7.5, and the 8s actually fit really nice. So I am happy that we got these. And there was an Oreo cookie in the box that is now gone. I had to refilm part of my video, and there was this cute little Oreo cookie. You know, they put candy or cookies in there, and it's gone. So that did not make the viewing of this video. So sorry that you couldn't see the Oreo cookie. And then we're gonna do the recap. So just to recap, I'm loving the sandals. They retailed for $27. This purse is just too cute, and again, it will fit a lot. And we do get a lot of card holders, card case holders that would definitely go in this purse. I'm loving the socks. Not too sure about these sunglasses. So I will need some feedback on those. And the earrings, I'll probably have to gift these, or maybe put them in a giveaway. So let me know your thoughts on this box. If you get this box, what your thoughts were on this box. But as always, you guys have an awesome day.